Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you guys how to install Redis in Linux machine. Actually this is the Ubuntu Linux. So today I'm showing you guys how we can install Redis in the Linux, and we can customize the Redis database for in this video. So first of all, let's get started guys. So what is Redis? Okay, the Redis is the open source software, and it is a in-memory data store. So that means the Redis store database in the memory, not in the disk. That's why it is very fast, and this is used for data cache, streaming engine, and message broker. So yeah, if you guys want to know more about the Redis, this website is very good. It teaches you how to do what are in the Redis database, how to customize this and that. So one very good website is University's Redis University, whatever it's called. So when you sign up here, you can get the free training, and I highly recommend to go through this RU 101. This teaches you the very basic of the Linux. Okay, so and these all are free guys. So if you have time and if you really want to know in depth, and you can do these all courses, and the good thing is they also provide you certificate too once you complete the course, and it is completely free. Just need your email and name, that's it, and you can go along with it. All right, without further ado, let's get into the actual work. So now I have a Redis already installed over here. I think so guys, let's see. Yep, I do have installed here. If you want to know how to install, you can go to this redis.io and go to the download and whatever version you want to do, and I recommend you to do the stable one. Okay, this is the stable 7, and if you want to do the like previous version, the Redis 6.01 6.0, and yeah, so in whatever software you want to install, and operating system you want to install. So the Redis stack, I haven't gotten a chance to get into it. So it is a kind of similar to Redis, but I will do this another day about the Redis stack. For now, I'm just showing you guys to Redis. Wow, there is a bunch of way of installing Redis. So when you go to over here, Redis get started, and it also show you how we can install the Redis, and in the Linux machine how we can install, and other machine how we can install. But it is not the recommended way of installing Redis, because there are just so many dependency, and once you install from this way, you may not customize the way you want. So there's a lot of problem you may face during this way of installation. So this is not recommended by many system admin. So if you really want to test other thing like a simple just the Redis commands, I think this is a good way of doing it. But in the real environment, you want to install other way that I'm showing you guys now. Okay, so I have already installed over here 6.2. okay, oh, did I install twice? Anyway, I'm gonna extract that. So this is in Windows, so I am using an WinSCP. Okay, so my server name is, okay, so it's already authenticated over here, and I'm just gonna take this one to here. Okay, all right, so it is already on my Linux server. Okay, so here Ubuntu, where is it, home.ubuntu. okay, you see over here. Okay, I'm taking this one to the my directory that I made, my database. You can keep anywhere. I'm just trying to make it clean. Okay, that's why I'm doing it. In the Redis, it's going to be my database. Okay, cd my database. Okay, you can see over here. So now what we are going to do is we're gonna extract this file. That's the command for this one is tar xbf redis. Okay, yep, so it is already extracted. If you want to see, here you go, redis. If you want to change the name of directory, is still fine, but you know, it's not required. Now what we need to do is we need to go to that folder redis 2.6. okay, over here we need to go to this one, devs, cd devs, and after that you can see whatever folder or whatever file and folder over here, and a lot of things we don't really need, guys. Let's do apt-get update now. Okay, well, it don't require, but just list some dependency maybe will be resolved once you do the apt-get update. You know, this is the new machine that I just got from the EC2 instance. So okay, so we are on this directory devs, which is under the redis extracted folder. So now we're gonna do apt-get install, install gcc. Oh, what is coming? Diamonds using outdated libraries, which is so which service should be restarted? All right, unattended service. Okay, let's do this too. I don't know why this is happening. Okay, so now make redis JAMALOC LINENOISC. Okay, I mean, it's a lot of thing to go over it, and just remember the commands. That should be fine, you know. And if you want to know what are they, then you can do your own way. It takes a little bit, not too long. I know this video is going to a little longer, but it is worth it to learn how to install Redis manually. Okay. Okay, now it's completed. So what we need to do is we need to go to the the Redis directory here, and we can make a directory like a log, you know, and let's do this. Make my database, okay, sorry, what happened? Mkdir my database, let's do redis, and we're gonna make, well, I'm already in this directory, mkdir log mkdir redis database. Okay, I'm just making this easy for for later on. Okay, now what we are going to do is cd utils, right? And there is should be one command. Yep, we need to run this one, and it will install itself once you run. If you want to see what is inside, it's just the bash script, and this what it's gonna execute. Okay, not going in detail, it is already being so long. sh install. Okay, oh, something around here. 1 second. Well, this no, just let me see, go one more time to see. There's one thing there we need to comment out, that is just a second, it gotta be here somewhere. Somewhere here. Okay, just a second, guys. Okay, so here is something that we need to comment out. This is the bail. Okay, here you go, this is the one. So we gotta comment out this line to execute. My bad, where did it go? Okay, there it is. So we have to comment this from here to fi, because this is running as the systemd and we are not doing it. That's why the process is, you know, taking different way and not installing it. Okay, now I comment this line. Make sure, guys, you gotta comment out this line to actually run this script. And what this script does is, this script, and this is the path right here, guys. Okay, I'm just giving this one redis, and that will be under src. Okay, and redis server, redis redis server. Okay, let's enter it. It seems like you don't have redis executable. Did you make install it? Yeah, I think I did it. Let's go and see what is it. Okay, cdsrc. If it is not here, redis server, it will not gonna work. No, did you see, guys, redis server here? No, right? Redis, there is no redis, so I think I missed one. Let's see what I missed. Yeah, there is one thing that I missed here. Under the redis, I have to give the name like make and install, make install, and it will work. I thought I did both, but didn't work. Anyway, it will work now, you know. Alright, now it's completed, and then we gotta go back and start the same process that we have done. Okay, so I'm gonna go redis utils here, and then we're gonna run that command that we had run earlier. Okay, remember, there you go, this one. Okay, 633 default and log. I'm just gonna keep this log directory, or let's give it, you know, we have it, database and redis and log. Okay, and for the data directory, okay, here redis database. Okay, and executable file. So this one is because we already transfer this one, this should be over here. The same thing, redis, yes, rc redis server. Hope this install now. Yep, all good to go, guys. And put okay. Now it is an error, my database log. Okay, petrol starting redis is7 reading the following file at this 30 error. Okay, I thought I have that log directory, guys. That's what it says. Yeah, it is log there, right? But the error was my database redis log. Okay, this you see here, because this cannot open the .conf. Okay, here going to the log. Okay, here I think I should have given the name like redis, you know what I mean, redis.log or redis, yeah. Okay, let's start now. Yep, yes, start us. Yep, it is up and running, because I gave the different name, that's why it is happening. So now you want to test the redis-cli. Okay, ping pong. That's it, guys. Very easy to install. I'm sorry I'm taking too long time, and you guys may learn how to troubleshoot if we, you know, if we face the issues like this. So I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching.